Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Julia, the staff from GRUDA HAIR Vietnam. Today I will introduce to you about weft hair and how to use them. Let's get started.
Weft hair is a collection of strands attached to a smooth strip of fabric, thread tape at one end. Most people who use hair extensions will weft hair because it is safe and flexible. How to install weft hair? Hairs can be attached using a variety of methods. So here we will share with you some ways to attach your weft. 1. Use micro hair extension ring. 2. Seal horizontal hair extension. 3. Weft hair extensions using tape-in-tape. How often does the weave need replacing? How often you replace the weave depends on the method you choose to attach your hair. If you use a clip, you may have to put it on in the morning and take it out at night. If you choose the method of connecting hair with sewing thread or braiding, this time can last to 4 to 6 weeks. How can a weft help you? Weft hair protects your connection against heat damage. Using hair weave is great for your growing hair. It's also a thickness to your hair underneath. Weave hairstyle a design length to your hair. It offers a variety of flexible hairstyles. It fits your budget.
If you find it useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.